Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. I'm sure many of you guys have seen through Instagram that my dear sofa is gone. So I've been in the process of the last couple of days of just trying to clean up and getting things ready because I have my drapery that's going to be getting installed, light fixture is going to be going in, and I think I'm going to be having some other things done like caulking, and then some work is going to be going on in my backyard, which I'm really excited about. So today, basically what I'm going to be doing with you guys is sharing some of the cleaning process. I am cleaning my windows, cleaning and dusting the bookcase, and then afterwards I am going to be cutting some watermelon. Pay very close attention to this video because although it's not a home tour, you are going to get to see some different areas of my home, you guys. It's coming together so great, and I'm hoping that I can give you a tour really soon. I just didn't want to give you a tour while things are still trickling in very slowly. I wanted at least majority of the things to be done, so enjoy.
You're special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Oh, yeah. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, and okay for me, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family.
So I'm sure you guys can see I'm currently in my bedroom. I have a tour coming up, which you guys will get to see the full overview of everything. If you're interested in the vacuum, the broom, and some of the items that I have in the video, I will be leaving them in the description box down below. If you're watching the video and it's not there, give me some time, you guys. I'm so sorry, but just give me some time. But like I said earlier, as you can see, the house is coming together and I am so excited. This is the last room that I'm going to be cleaning, which is my closet, and it's just so cute and I love everything. But now that I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and head downstairs and cut the watermelon. This is probably the favorite part of my summer, which is the fruits, you guys, because it is so sweet. If you're wondering, I am using my Casanova self-sharpening knife to cut this. I will be leaving it linked down below. You sure you don't want a piece?
No.
It's sweet.
It looks sweet, but no.
Why you don't want? You don't like watermelon? What you like?
But I'm in the mood for.
Oh, you're not in the mood for watermelon today?
No.
What you cooking at home?
I need some marinated chicken.
Okay.
Chicken and sun-dried tomato.
Man, that place in Richmond Hill, they good.
What place?
The farmer's market. I forgot the name of it, but it's good. My God. You sure?
You gonna force this Then you gonna put this peer pressure on me about this watermelon.
No peer pressure, but baby, this watermelon's so sweet though. It's the color for me. Hey, just take a little piece.
No, the peer pressure is real.
No peer pressure, it's good pressure.
Yeah, it's peer pressure.
It's good pressure. Now wait when it's cold, baby.
It's not sweet.
It's not sweet?
No.
No?
No.
It's not sweet?
No. I'll take one more piece.
I think your palate is messed up. It's sweet. You want to try another piece just to make sure?
I think one more.
To be show.
Oh my God.
I'm like, what in the heck is he talking about? That's sweet. You want another one?
No! I don't know the first bit.
Oh my God. I'm like, what is you talking about? I'm like, sweet?
That's good.
I thought I was tripping. I'm like, if this ain't sweet, your palate is all the way gone.
That's good.
Thank you. You know, I'm not tripping. I'm like, what? Ooh, it's so good. Oh my God. What you say?
It's sweet.
Okay, it's sweet.
That's sweet.
You over here like you ain't never ate. I haven't had watermelon in like a year now. It is good though. It's so good. You see my face? I was like, it's not sweet. I'm thinking, is my mouth messed up? I was like, hold up, wait a minute. I don't know. So I know my tongue ain't wrong. I'm like, this thing is sweet. Cause if I'm gonna have watermelon, it has to be sweet. I don't like when it just be too light. I don't like it. No, put it over there so you can put it in the trash, sir. You want some? Kev.
Girl, no man. What?
I can cut you a piece you can take with you.
No, cut it up. No.
I'm gonna cut it for you. You want it from a cutter for you?
Yeah.
Jay, got a baby, y'all. It's the cutting boards for me. It's the cutting boards for me. Okay. Actually, never mind. I'll take that back. It's the knife for me.
Wait, that's a good knife.
It's a good knife. I'm definitely the house that you don't want to go to if you think you're not going to eat, because I'm going to feed you. That's what I do. I am a mama. As much as Kevin was fighting it, the watermelon was so good. First of all, I couldn't even stop eating it. And then I'm like, child, are you sure? So, after a little bit of pulling his leg, I was able to get him to have some watermelon. So if you're home right now, you're watching the video, I'm sorry, girl. Go ahead and get you some watermelon. On to the next day.
You're my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it.
So what I'm currently doing now again is cleaning and straightening it up. This is actually my very last week because the furniture company is going to be coming Friday to pick everything up. Again, I've told you guys before, this process has been extremely frustrating just to see furniture come and then see things go. But I am rolling with the punches. So I think this particular day, I believe the next day they came and got everything. So I just really cleaned and dust, lit my candle, laid on my sofa for the very last time.
And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. Anything that you do, everything that you do, everything that you do now. Oh, no, 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 no.
All right, you guys, for those of you that are still asking questions pertaining to fabrics being near the kitchen, near the oven, staining and all that jazz, I highly recommend, if you're new to my channel, just kind of go around and look at some of the videos. That way you can figure out what's in my home, what I have in my home. I recently put out a video where I shared the Krypton fabric and I spilled pomegranate juice on it, and I showed how it just doesn't allow stains and liquids to adhere to the fabric. Like I said, I highly recommend just taking a quick little tour of my YouTube channel. That way you can kind of see things. I promise you, I recently had someone that went through my videos and she was able to get a lot of information. I try to share the information in a more relaxed manner and not do so like serious sit down content. So definitely look through. But you guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed today's content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.